we are giving 30 boxes of cold brew.
Omukoro gwo kuherezayo obushagikibwa byokunywa gwakorwa Dr. Nelson Tugume mukuru wa kampuni ya Inspire Africa Coffee waraganisa kuguma nashagika abavugi b'omuzaano gw'empaka.
Our friends, we no longer need to import any other drink. You know, coffee has the best caffeine to keep you energetic and keep moving. True. As a sports person, and this is what we're going to be focusing on to drive our sports and pushing our sports agenda.
Abavugi basima obushagiki obwabahebwa nikwe koreka kuba rukwija kukora kurungi.
Then every rally driver will have to have this in their car. And the motorsport is the best sport to promote this. Yes. Because after Mbarara, we are going to Masaka. After Masaka, we shall go to Soroti, and we move with the fans. This is just a part of our team. Mbarara has over 100,000 people right now, all waiting for rally to start tomorrow.
Moroka kwegamba zo tuzesunze turudenga tuzesunga era tugenda ziraba paka lwezinagwa.
Ebyo bikiryaho omuvugi w'empaka z'emotoka okuruga mu district ya Bushenyi Tofa Kateera nawe yaraganisa kwakwenda kukora kurungi omu mpaka ezo za Part of Africa ngo abase kutemba class arugo mu yabiri aruho abase kuzo mu ya NRC.
Na wadogo wa Skoda imtiniro guno na binatiro mwaka section kamuni mmanyogo kamu ino nkandi mu class nawe nemhanderu mutaka chitina emotoka n'umutuma emotoka no kujumanya experience icye motoka impango tinchitina abo kuba average speed ni njumanya zabo ezibukora ba Ford
nyina amasemerero mingi kusanga ngo paro bagitwetera Mbarara aza abantu bagambira paro batakucenga kunkati paro no murundi gwa kabiri tugine Mbarara azeri zoba twinemoka zamani munonga twina abatanzania twina abanyakenya twina abanyayuganda abasinasa twina abakongo.
Empakeze za Part of Africa Rally zatandikira izoba aho abavugi abamani babanu bahayanura emyanya eyibaratandikireho nyenkyakare obwo empaka ziratandika mu butongore okusya obuzirahendere izoba ryo rwa mukaga.